Hello, and welcome to my session on 3D IC Electronic Design Automation, or EDA. So we all know by now that we waste more time and energy on moving data than doing useful things with them. And in fact, chip-to-chip is not an exception where we spend too much time and energy on chip-to-chip communication. And in fact, before lunch, Karen's talk was all about that. And this is exactly when 3D ICs can become a lifesaver. If you have chips that are stacked, the ultra-short connections and massive amount of those connections could be a key solution to chip-to-chip data movement challenge. So we're talking about millions of bits delivered to you at the door every clock cycle versus hundreds of bits every other cycle. This is a pivotal technological changes, mindset change that we're talking here. So you were convinced, right? Like I was quite some time ago, that you want to try 3D IC for your next mission or applications. So where do we start? We got to design the chips first, right? And for that, we need design tools. But the consensus out there, at least for now, is that EDA tools for 3D ICs is limited and lagging behind. So how do we solve this problem? Well, the senator was right this morning, right? Collaboration is what we need, right? To solve this problem together. We should not put all the burdens on the EDA vendors only, right? But instead, we need to work together. The entire semiconductor industry has to come together and discuss how to bring 3D IC tools to the hands of designers. Here we see three parties involved in this process. First, of course, tool builders, EDA vendors, research organizations. They are the ones who develop algorithms, methodologies, and turn them into software tools, right? Second, tool users. Let's not forget about the importance of that group, because they are the ones who are using the tools to optimize their architecture and give useful feedback to the folks who are developing the tools. We need to see that collaboration for sure. Third, of course, chip makers. We need their help. We need to be provided with process and assembly design kits for 3D ICs so that whatever the design that we tape out is manufactured as intended. Now, this three-way collaboration, we've seen this before, right? For, in fact, several decades. But my point is, we need that for 3D IC EDA tool development as well. So in this session, we invited 6 renowned speakers, 3 from the tool user side, and then 3 from the tool builder side. Then first of all, to the tool users, we asked the following questions. What are your needs today for your applications that only 3D ICs could become the solutions for? And what are the needs, capabilities that you want to see happening in 3D IC EDA tools for today's application and also tomorrow? Now, to the tool builders, we asked the following question. First of all, timeline and roadmap, please. When and exactly what kind of features will be delivered to us, right? But then, of course, again, the burden, right? So we also asked them, what are the challenges that you guys are facing right now, not only related to technical aspect of it, but then also other aspects as well. So in summary, we hope, that this discussion between the tool builders and tool users will not just stop here, but then it will continue beyond this session so that we work together until we deliver the tools to the hands of all the designers. So our speaker lineup. The first speaker is Tim Lee from Boeing to tell us about defense needs for 3D ICs. Vincent Kim from Samsung will tell us about commercial application needs for 3D ICs. And then Puya Tadeon from Intel, in fact, will tell us about test for 3D ICs. Then from the tool builder side, Elaine Tang from Siemens will tell us about latest results and upcoming challenges for simulation. Yes, multi-physics simulation is important. Fifth speaker from Cadence, Vinay Patwardhan, will tell us about physical design, placement route. And our last speaker, Rob Aiken from Synopsys, will tell us about synthesis and architecture optimization. So without any further ado, let's get the session started. Thank you very much.